Okay, we're out front of 401 South 22nd Street. And we're going to show you apartment 3R. It's a 6 or 7 unit apartment building. Owner managed. On 22nd Street in Philadelphia. It's a beautiful neighborhood. A lot of people would consider it Fiddler Square, which is super close to Rittenhouse Square and Center City, the Schuylkill River. So Center City and Rittenhouse Square is that way and to the right. And then the Schuylkill River Trail is to the left. We're also close to Graduate Hospital, and just tons of bars, restaurants, coffee shops. There's a Goddard School here on the corner on the left. It's just a fantastic neighborhood, amazing place to live. A lot of University of Penn graduate students, Drexel graduate students live here. Tons of young professionals, doctors, nurses, you name it. Okay, so now I'm going to take you through the common area and then the unit. As you enter, there are 2 automatically closing and automatically locking front doors. It's really nice for safety. Your mailboxes. This is the vestibule, just so you can see it. The building is fully occupied right now. Okay. This is the common area. There's common washer and dryer. There's your common dryer, clothes washer, clean, tidy basement, dry. All the residents use this. Now we're going to head up to the unit. So this is unit 3R. It's in the back of the building. So it's extra quiet because it's off the street. It's on the 3rd floor. And that's the unit door. Up there is one more unit. And this is the unit we're showing you. Okay. This is your front little vestibule. Good for shoes, hats, and keys. Here's your full bathroom. Nice sink. Tends to have a nice little storage piece there. Toilet. Radiator heat. This is the tub. Shower combo with very cool wallpaper. Okay. And now, let's take you into the living area. On your right here, there's a short closet. Nice for storage. There's tons of bookcases. It's a really nice sized apartment. Feels very spacious. When today landlords and developers are trying to add as many units as they can, This unit's very spacious. The owner just updated the kitchen last year. So new countertop, cabinets, an island, a new refrigerator, microwave, gas, oven, and cooktop. And really beautiful apartment. Nice bookcases, storage pieces built in. This is your living room. Tons of natural light. Okay. It's not a real fireplace, but it looks pretty. Coming into the bedroom. Huge bedroom. Tons of room for lots of storage pieces. There's 2 windows here. Okay. Looks down onto the first floor unit's yard. There's one closet there, but again, it's such a large apartment that you can really add as many storage pieces as you like along this wall and along this wall if you like. Nice ceiling heights here as well. More than enough room for a nice desk. And it's a nice deep closet. All right, that's the apartment. Let us know if you have any questions. We'll send you the floor plan as well, and hope to show you soon.